Match details. Weather.
Sunny. Pitch condition.
The pitch will have plenty of pace and bounce in the surface. While the pace will help the batsmen to play their short, the extra bounce will allow the bowlers to trouble the batsmen. Probable 11. Head-to-head. Odds.
Win percentage. Dream Team 11.
Batsman. Alex Hales, Cullum Ferguson, Colin Ingram, David Malin. Wicket-keeper. Ben McDermott. All-rounder. Ben Cutting, DRC Short. Bowler. Tanvir Sangha, Nathan Ellis, Chris Green, Riley Meredith. Prediction tips. Sydney Thunder have a better batting lineup. Players like Alex Hales and Cullum Ferguson are in top form. Hobart Hurricanes are not far behind in terms of quality with Ben McDermott, David Malin and Colin Ingram in very good nick. Sydney Thunders seem to have a better all-round team with quality batting and bowling department. Pick your team. Sydney Thunder will win this match. Download our app, Cricket Forecast, from Play Store for prediction of cricket matches.